to explain. I'm caught in a flood. A Roblox flood. Now, I just... Oh, yeah, this is a new one. I managed to convince my friend to play this game.
Luke, this is awesome. The crates, they're moving. Help me. Help. I'm going down here.
I don't think I can make the jump.
Oh, Luke, I got tricked.
Aha!
Oh, Luke, good thing you didn't get
No! Why? Why?
This is just my opinion, but if I'm correct, I think that lava could go like 21 miles per hour. But that's just my opinion.
A game of... Okay, it's fine. I hope I don't get sued for that one. A game of... Nope. Nope. Why? Stop it with the insane! Why?
This VIP.
Oh, and speaking of guys, currently I'm actually gonna work on my video game. Like seriously, my video game that I set out to publish a while ago. But I continuously forget, and this is my first time ever making a video game. So
The round starting.
give me a second. Gloomy. Oh, I love this one. It's really hard though.
I know. I'm dead.
Oof.
Did you die yet?
No.
He lost.
No.
He lost his foot.
And I stink at this game. But it's an insane map. Come on, guys. Stop it. Get some help.
And somebody just locked onto Insane again.
Okay, well, let's
I'm
see.
kidding, this didn't lock onto Insane.
Oh, thank goodness. Now, don't scare me like that.
Okay, I will. Next time, I'm just kidding. Tanks! There were tanks, Luke.
Oh my gosh, familiar ruins. Wait, where are the tanks?
I mean the elephant thing.
Oh! Got it.
Familiar ruins.
Oh, come on!
Huh? Why does it say familiar ruins?
Because it's a map from an older one. See, it's
Escape?
yeah.
The original. What players left?
Why? Why?
Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast.
Please stop. Please, Jack, we will get sued for that. Oof, 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 oof.
Luke around started.
Okay.
I have to break the news to you.
What's with this? Come on! Will you stop unlocking the lift to insane? It's torture!
Get the button. It's acid. Oh,
Someone's getting it. Go, 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 go!
not opening. Oh,
There it is.
Opening. Get in the vent.
I'm coming. Go, 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 go!
The ship is sinking.
Why is it poisonous though?
I don't know. Oh my gosh! No! I'm dead.
Oof.
Well, we have 6
Okay, I'm joining a different server. This is way way too ridiculous.
If he walked into and say what? If somebody walked into and say what?
Seriously, what's the heck? What the heck? And if you guys have oh my goodness, why?
I like waffles.
Oh hey, cool. I never noticed that.
I noticed that.
I think this is a new one, but why? Why?
Hi, Luke. I'm here.
I'm out.
Well, we have 7 out of abandoned facility.
You know,
And why is it? Oh, wait a minute. This is the. Oh, dude, it's on.
oh, thank goodness. Yes! We're saved! We're saved!
Go, let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
Oh yes, so I'm really good at this.
Yeah. Unless somebody doesn't get the button.
Yeah, just what?
It's just doing the water. Better hurry up. I think the water's going to be rising soon.
We're coming. We hit the button.
Good.
Oh jeez.
Let's go. Let's go, or else we'll all die.
Hit the button. Hit the button. Hit the button.
Good. Somebody hit the button. Ooh. This is the best blood island. Woo! Woo! I'm good. It turned into acid, Luke.
I know.
Good thing we're all alive. It turned into lava. Quick, get on the helipad. Woo! I survived.
I will survive. Oh no!
Look how. Oh man. Difficulty increased to hard, and only one person died.
Yeah.
We will.
We're pro.
Yeah, and I just leveled up.
Autumn Hideaway. I've actually survived this one, but it's really hard.
Yeah,
It's really, really hard.
But good thing it gives you an air bubble.
How did I not see that? I can't see. I can't.
See.
No, I mean seriously, like.
Woo! We need the bubble. I need the bubble. Oh, I got the air tank.
Where is it? Oh. Go! How are we supposed to make it?
Up here, Luke.
Go!
Yes! Luke, look how long it.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, we all insane. Luke, everyone survived. I think that means we're going to insane.
Oh no.
Familiar.
This one's tough.
Somebody just died.
We need to go now! Hit the button.
Good. This way, everybody. This is awesome music.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Luke, I don't think I can. Oh wait. Oh no. Acid. Woo. Oh my gosh. I'm dead.
Dang it!
Man, that. We did good.
Yeah.
Oh, insane.
Yeah.
3 people are left.
And please, anyone that has ever watched any of my videos, which is one person, please.
Like and subscribe.
No. Tell me what to do. I'm running out of ideas very fast. Seriously, like I'm down to my last few ideas. In fact, this was like a split-second decision on this.
Okay, it's infiltration, normal.
Oh, I love infiltration.
Yeah, me too. I like it.
Wait, what's with that? Is that an elevator? Huh, I never realized that.
I'll get the button. Never mind.
I love to get this button. I love the underwater one. Oh, I got it confused with a different underwater one.
Get up! Quick, get up! Everybody get up. What's that?
I can't see a thing.
Make it. Yes, we made it. Whap. Smack like a mat back. Smack. We're doing good.
Someone just needs to hit that button. Hit the button. Go, go, go.
Yes! Whoa, look how one time I did it. I'm so good. You too, Luke.
And it's turning red.
It's now time to go to hard mode. Only
That-
2 people
You
died.
do real that was really easy. Hard mode. Well, okay. It's sometimes it's hard, but
Yeah.
there's some maps.
Before it was pretty hard.
Oh no!
This one's hard.
This one is ridiculous. This one should be insane, honestly.
It is. Boy. Boy.
I'm safe. How do we get to the other side? Hurry! Hurry! Hit the button! Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I just reset my character. Okay, just reset my character. I reset my character.
Why didn't she hit it? Why? Why?
Wow, we're going to cave system. Normal.
Oh, man. See, this is one of the ones that. Oh, yeah, this is one of the ones that's really hard, but it's labeled normal.
Oh, someone's getting the button. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is the one that I like.
Woo! Okay, I'm not risking my ale. Okay, I guess I don't need to get the button. Yeah! I did it.
I don't like that symbol on my screen.
I did it. I did it well.
I'm safe.
Me too. Oh wait, this way.
Oh, this is one of the ones that's just.
Hey, I did something. Somebody died.
This is one of the ones that's just ridiculously hard.
Well, not for me. Because, well, I'm old. Because this is pretty easy for me. Okay, how much people are left? No! No!
And I'm up.
I'm dead.
Oh no! I got chased with the hops! My thing just started.
Now we're going to eat.
Dude, come on! My thing just started bouncing on its own. Come on!
We're going to Poisonous Valley. I never seen that one before.
Oh, this must be one. This must be the new one.
One of the new ones.
Hit it.
Hit it. Oh, yeah, I know why it's called Poisonous Valley now.
How am I supposed to get up?
There's literally acid in here. Purple acid. Whoa. Possible. Yeah.
Ooh, this one looks good. This one looks really cool.
Oh! Look, I almost. The breaking platforms.
Why? Oh, it's just acid. Why? I thought that was gonna be fake lava. Oh man. I used to be good at this game. I used to be good.
Whoa, no.
Wait, I'm gonna see more of this level. Wow. This level is good. It look actually wow, this looks amazing. This really looks amazing. Go, go, go! Jack, come on! You have a chance! Beyonce plus Taylor Swift. Oh no.
No. Oh, phew.
Get in, Jack!
Boom! Oh, it took me pretty long. I'm gonna fight people die. Difficult people make that easy.
Okay, this is gonna be the last round. Because I just reached the 10-minute mark literally a couple seconds ago. Lost Woods! Zelda! Whoa! Zelda!
Woo! Wait.
I love Zelda! I love The Legend of Zelda. In the Lost Woods, I have visited that place in the Zelda universe. Oh, it's so good. Zelda! 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 Yes, I love that. That sound is music to my ears.
Let's go.
Make your way up, guys. Okay.
I'm one level behind you.
Okay, I'm gonna have to video here, guys. Okay.
No, please, can we just do one more round?
No,
One.
it's meant to be a 10-minute long video, and I'm sorry.